Hello guys, once again we'll be showing another program that is very helpful to recover files or lost files in your hard drive. So the program is ASUS Data Recovery Wizard. So let's open this program. So these are the options to be recovered. Is the card recovery, NAS recovery, crash PC recovery. So for now, I have an external hard drive that needs to be recovered, but I already scanned and recovered the files. So I have a save session here. So these are the recovered files, the external type. It is very easy if you just press the type. So it is grouped by pictures, videos, documents, archives, audio, emails, and others. So as you can see, there are recovered files here. And then you can choose or select this all and recover 40 files. And then it will put a, a folder to the recovered files. So the version of this program is Windows version 17. So edition technician is like technician, so it is lifetime. So if you want this program or you like this program, I will put the download link below or just go to my website. Thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, just subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys.